I have a question for you. Have you ever thought that paying for insurance is a waste of money and that all these insurance companies are scammers? It's a natural feeling. But today, I'm here to talk with you using numbers and figures, and we'll see where it's a waste of money and where it's not. The first scenario we're going to look at is, imagine you wake up in the morning, you're about to go to work, and you see your car has been stolen. The average price of a car in Canada is $65,000. For the comprehensive insurance you're paying on your policy, you pay an average of $1,500 annually. This means you'd have to pay for insurance for something around 40 years for it to equal the cost of your car. So, is that a waste of money? No. Why? Because if your car is stolen, the insurance company comes and pays you the equivalent value of your car. So, it's not a scam at all, and it's not a waste of money. On the other hand, well, the theft rate has increased. What can the insurance company do in this situation? The insurance company is also paying out for a ton of cars that are written off or stolen to their owners. So it has to raise the insurance rates, but in the end, the customer doesn't lose out. They haven't thrown their money away. In the year 2023 alone, insurance companies paid out $1.5 billion in claims for stolen cars. For some companies, the situation was even that for every $1 of insurance they sold, meaning money they took from a customer, they spent $1.9. That means they're at a 90% loss and, well, this is what causes your insurance to become more expensive. Or because you've just arrived in Canada and have no driving history here, you're forced to pay an extra amount for your insurance. But I'm here to prevent that loss for you as well. Because there are some companies where we can add your driving history from Iran, add history from other countries, and that helps make your policy cheaper. Here too, I can help you so your money isn't wasted. Here, insurance isn't an expense. It's transferring this huge risk to the insurance company. So you haven't thrown your money away. Let's move on to the second scenario. It's a bit upsetting, but it's also a reality. Did you know what the average age is for people who are diagnosed with critical illnesses like cancer, stroke, and similar problems? The age of 49. Exactly in the middle of your life. Exactly when you're working and maybe just getting close to paying off your home's mortgage and enjoying life. Yes, medical treatment in Canada is free, but the cost of living isn't free. Imagine you spend between $25 to $100 for your critical illness insurance, but the reality is that at age 49, that's the average age people need this money. And at that time, the insurance company, depending on the coverage you purchased, between $50,000, $100,000, whatever coverage you bought, suddenly gives you the money, and you don't have the stress of living expenses. You treat your illness and get back to your real life. In the year 2024 alone, insurance companies paid $36.6 billion in treatment costs to people. I'll say it again, treatment might be free, but your living expenses are not. And here, you pay a small amount, but if you get a critical illness, the insurance company will help you. A lot of people say life insurance is a waste of money, that you're just throwing it away, but that's not the case. Let's say you're 35 years old and you want to get $500,000 of life insurance, right? And you might pay something around $50 a month for 20 years. So you come and pay $50 a month. But during this 20-year period, if you pass away, your family gets $500,000. Meanwhile, how much did you pay in those 20 years? A total of $12,000. So, is that a profit or a loss? It's a benefit for the client and a loss for the company. Right? In the year 2024, $8.9 billion in life insurance was paid out to families. That's a very high number. And death is one of those things that you can't do anything about. It's a risk that cannot be eliminated. Every person will pass away one day. Many people think life insurance isn't an investment and that you're just spending money like you do on car insurance. But I'm here to offer you a product that allows you to turn that into an investment as well. You can grow it and get your money to a point where it becomes enjoyable, and it reaches a stage where your money has grown so much beyond the limit you purchased that it pushes your coverage even further. Maybe you bought $500,000, but after 20 or 30 years, you suddenly see your life insurance has reached $1 million. I can do that for you. That's my specialty, and I can help you experience that enjoyment along with your insurance. Just as Mahir works with the best car companies, he also works with the best companies for life, health, and investment insurance to get the best offer for the client. Because my primary goal isn't the commission. My primary goal is your satisfaction and your future. That's what's important to me. Insurance isn't for small incidents. Insurance is for rare events, For those times when you're not prepared and something happens, and unfortunately, you have to spend a lot of money. Insurance is there to stand by you and prevent major catastrophes in your life. And it's at this point, if we look at insurance this way, it's no longer a waste of money. Insurance is also a blessing. Now that you've watched this video, it means your future, insurance, and your financial future are important to you. Subscribe to my channel. Together, we're going to look at interesting and educational topics and see what can be done for your future. If you need any consultation or insurance, Mahyar is at your service. Get in touch. I've also put the contact information in the description for you. Until the next video, take care.